Area Travis Salute. Today welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk on how you see them. Senegal 0 and Netherlands 2. And we get Oga will say, we be like, say, now, Bunga football fan, make tell us about how you see this game. Oga will say, you know, say, before this match, many people believe, say, Senegal, now them be the bride of Africa, the country will be like, say, many people they expect, say, they will go far for Africa for inside this World Cup. But how you see this first game performance from Senegal national team today?
For me, Senegal just dey unfortunate. Actually, they play well. No, dey honest, Senegal play well. I just wait the goals don't take come, and they play pass Netherlands sef for the game. So they just dey unlucky. And also, their attack no dey clinical. I think that be their major problem. Because they play first 45, they play and waste. They play almost another 45 again, still play and waste. So na just dey unlucky, honestly. Because me, I don't see wetin Netherlands play now. And Netherlands get like 3 or 4 chances, they score 2. I just go through the see here. So
Yeah, you talk about the attack now. Say the attack not the clinical and they know if it create more chances. You think say this team because we all know say the African footballer of the year, Sadio Mane, they miss this competition because of that knee injury when he get. You think say the Senegal team miss Sadio Mane for this match today?
yes, now very well. At least despite Mane being Africa best, now him still be Senegal best. And all of us know the impact where Mane fit bring all game. Mane like 3 person in an energy for the game. You understand? As we men dey now, Mane dey now. But fit dey use ball enter the 18. Now wetin dem no fit do for this game. So that threat to commit Netherlands defense, Senegal no get am. But we just dey see, we just dey even play here today. They play like that against Qatar or Ecuador. I expect them to still get at least 1 win, 1 draw, and they fit still qualify. I don't fit write them off. Just maybe say the last goal now, go enter, finish. But they play well.
All right, now, guys. So you talk about Qatar and Ecuador. There are 2 other teams waiting for inside their group A for inside this World Cup. You think, say, with what you see today, Senegal go fit beat those 2 teams and can qualify for the next round of the World Cup?
If we say we dey fair based on playing, based on playing, no not say luck or favour, based on playing, Senegal go beat them. I think at least I don't believe Senegal fit play Netherlands, European team now, where they born football with them. Senegal play like this. Senegal play more pass them for this game. Make we dey honest. I just unlucky day for them. So if they play like this, well, say make them up their game more. Make them watch their mistake on this one, up their game. Make their defense don't dey relax or when they don't neglect say anything fit happen, they just dey 100% fit. They go beat Doha, they go beat Qatar and Ecuador. Down a short team.
So, but with what do you want predict, say, the African countries where they inside this World Cup go fit do for this World Cup? Because me and you know, say, no African country don't pass quarter-final. Where you they predict, say, one of these 5 African countries waiting for this competition go reach for inside this present World Cup for Qatar?
I see the prejudice quarterfinal. At least at the roots for Ghana, Senegal, and Cameroon. I see the roots for them. So man say I predict quarterfinal. But if they reach final, glory to God. But the roots for those 3 teams. At least even if Senegal fuck up, I sure for Cameroon. Cameroon fuck up, Ghana fit deliver. So I say we just win.
So before I go let you go now, I want to ask you about one prediction for inside this World Cup where many people where I don't talk to say, oh, that one no easy, oh, you understand? Say no really the easy, and no be lie, no easy. Now which player you they predict say go fit win the Golden Boot, the highest goal scorer award for inside this World Cup?
But this one don't go easy this time around though, because one of the elite attackers, their team not too dey good again as before. Like Lewandowski now, Poland not good. We don't call this World Cup now. Meet you that's full the game, so elite attackers not full. But man still see how it go be. For now, I never know. I never know.
But just mention one name.
Man, go for Lionel Messi.
Lionel Messi.
Yes.
All right, now, guys, say thank you for your time.